Safir Gold Lance, your wife, Quetta Chamber of Commerce, will come get out. English ki bir tuva I am English, no good speaking. This Brazil, Pakistan, brothers country. Balochistan is big problem. Education. This one people, one wife, 12, 15 children. One people, 3 wives. This big problem, Balochistan. I am
Big problem.
yes. I am Balochistan education 0 results. Brazil, your Safir, turn wise. This Balochistan request scholarship.
Yes.
बलूचिस्तान के लिए 10 बच्चों के लिए मैं स्कॉलरशिप ब्राजील से चाहता हूँ. ब्राजील पाकिस्तान ब्रदर्स, योर बलूचिस्तान एजुकेशन नो गुड वर्किंग. थैंक यू.
Schooling system here in Balochistan for education department from Brazil, as you said that.
Yes. This is a very important point because education is the basis for any country, any province. Now, as for cooperation in education, all I need is any proposal that comes to me. As for Baluchi students to study in Brazil, we in the Embassy of Brazil offer free courses of Portuguese. This is necessary because Brazilian universities, the teaching is in Portuguese. Many Pakistani students study and have studied in Brazil with scholarships from the Brazilian government. We can give information on that. However, some Portuguese language is required. You can learn Portuguese in the embassy. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes.
दवाई ची मसलन की थी दखल से कम शे वाड़ी दा मुश्तर वास्तविक चैम्बर पर जब इसमें जब बच्चे दा português दा अगर चिगुन बाइस्टी इज दा इस्तिया करासी और नोट तालीम हासिल की language center. So I convey him and next question from our